Welcome to Tech Edify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install WhatsApp on your Windows computer. Now, there are two ways you can use WhatsApp on your PC. Now, the first one is to use the WhatsApp web. So if you are using the web, then you have to log on to web.whatsapp. So you can just simply search WhatsApp web. So let's say WhatsApp web. When you search for WhatsApp web, this is the WhatsApp web URL. So you can hit on it to log on to your WhatsApp. All right, so now when you come to the WhatsApp web, you need to just go to your WhatsApp application from your mobile device, and then you go to link devices, and then you can scan for this QR code. Now that is one way. Now the second way that you can use WhatsApp is to download the WhatsApp application from your Microsoft Store. So let's just go to your start menu. Now you search for Store. So this is for Microsoft Store. So you can just launch Microsoft Store. So when you come to Microsoft Store, now you can download the WhatsApp application from Microsoft Store. Now Microsoft Store hosts a series of applications that you can install on your PC. We have a lot of games, other applications that you can use. So here, this is where you do. So over here, you just search for WhatsApp. So when you search for WhatsApp, then you just click on it. When you click on WhatsApp, you see the Get here. So just tap on the Get to start downloading. All right, so this will start to download and then install the WhatsApp application on your PC. So let's wait for it to finish downloading and install. All right, so now WhatsApp is successfully installed on our computer. So let's find it out from here. So if you check to your all programs, that is if you search for WhatsApp here, now you see WhatsApp has come here. So let me just launch it. Now when you launch it, you need to connect your WhatsApp from your phone. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. All right, so we get started here. Now on your mobile phone, this is what you do. You need to scan for this QR code. So let's go to our mobile phone and then see how it goes. All right, so when you open your WhatsApp from your phone, now you see the three dots at the top here. So when you tap on it, then you see link devices. Now when you go to link devices, then you choose link a device. Now if you have connected your WhatsApp to a different computer or a different device, you might see it here. If you are not suspecting it's you, then you can log it out. So let me just click on link a device here. All right, so now we need to scan this QR code. So I will scan it from the one that I'm seeing on my PC. And automatically it will download all your messages from your WhatsApp onto your WhatsApp application on your PC. So as you can see, it's downloading recent messages. All right, so now you can see our WhatsApp has been successfully downloaded and it has been connected also. So these are the messages that I have. So you can use this WhatsApp application. Now, if you want to go to your messages, this is where you tap it from. You can also make calls from the app here, so you can call someone using the WhatsApp app on your PC. And now this is where you can check your status. So if you have updated any status, you might also find it here. So it goes on and on. So that is how you can install WhatsApp on your PC and then connect it onto your computer, so that in case you want to use WhatsApp on your PC, you can just simply go to that and use. Now let me know in the comment section if you are having any challenges connecting your WhatsApp on your PC. Just put it in the comment section. If this video has been very helpful onto you, please don't forget to like this video, and also don't forget to share this video to help others. And now subscribe to this channel if today happens to be your first time. Now see you in the next video.